Hi guys, in this video you will see how you can verify your address in AdSense. So for this you will receive a pin on your address, whatever address you provide you will receive a pin from the AdSense on that address and you will have to input that particular pin while verifying under Google AdSense. So let's see how you can proceed with that. So I am eligible for this adding the verification and I have received the pin on my address. So let me walk you through the steps how I'll be able to verify my address. So first of all, the first thing I will have to log in. Yeah, you can see I'm already on my account, Google Ads, and you can see on top. Yeah. So here I can directly open on google.com/adsense and this is my ID. You can see. So here you can see your payment are on hold because you have not verified address. So whenever you come to verify the address, you will see message like this. Okay, so here I will have to click here on action. So if I click on action, it will be loaded some content here. And you say the first step for verifying the AdSense is identity verification. And at the time of identity verification, you will also putting the address. Okay. And on that particular address given during identity verification, Google AdSense will send you the pin. You can see here the pin. Okay. Pin will be sent to your address. Now I have received the pin. So let me see and let me add here that pin to verify and see whether it is working correctly or not. Yeah. So I am going to input here my pin, submit. Yeah. So the moment I input my pin receive on my address and submit, you can see it's a complete. Okay. In case you fill here the wrong information, it will not be allowed to move ahead. Okay. So if I come back here and refresh on this page and you see verify your identity, the both parties showing success now. Okay. So again go back and click on this logo Google AdSense and now you can see your profile is complete. In my case I don't want to add any site. Okay, I don't have any. Actually I have site but as of now I don't want to be associated with this AdSense. Got it? So this is the two step I have completed. Identity verification is done and the address verification is done. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.